Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Imagine Duolingo as your main ingredient, a solid foundation for language learning. But to truly savor the experience and cook up real fluency, we need more than just a single component. We're going to turn your daily lessons into a rich, flavorful feast. This isn't about simply maintaining a streak. It's about actively engaging with the language. Let's make every lesson count, making sure each new word and phrase truly sticks, preparing you for delicious conversations ahead. Just like sautéing adds depth to your ingredients, actively engaging with Duolingo sentences deepens your understanding. Don't just repeat them. Try to twist them, expand them, or even apply them to your own life. For instance, can you describe your breakfast in your target language or label items in your room? This hands-on method transforms passive exposure into active recall. It helps those new phrases become truly yours, ready to be used whenever you need them, not just recognized. A great dish needs variety, and so does great language learning. Don't limit yourself to Duolingo. Start adding flavorful spices from the real world. Listen to music in your target language, watch short animated videos, or read children's books. These resources expose you to native pronunciation, different accents, and practical vocabulary. They make learning feel less like a chore and more like a delightful exploration, adding rich layers to your growing language skills effortlessly. After all that cooking, it's time for a taste test, speaking. Find opportunities to use your language aloud, even if it's just practicing phrases to yourself. Better yet, connect with native speakers online or in person. Receiving real-time feedback on your pronunciation and grammar is incredibly valuable. It highlights areas needing adjustment, just like tweaking a recipe. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're essential ingredients for learning, guiding you toward perfection. Finally, it's time to serve up your language feast and enjoy the delicious results of your efforts. Remember, consistency is the ultimate chef's secret. Even 10 minutes a day adds up significantly over time. Celebrate every little milestone, from understanding a new song lyric to holding a short conversation. Your Duolingo journey isn't just about finishing lessons. It's about confidently using your language skills to connect with others and explore new cultures. Keep cooking and keep enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.